Hello everyone, this is a short tutorial by me. I will show you how you can control TP-Link Tapo light bulbs from your computer. You need two or three things. First of all, you need Python. You need the Python. I have Python 3.12, but 3.13 will also work. Then you need AutoHotkey version 2. It is the latest version. Just go download. And you need AH2 to exe. Clear this so you can compile the executable. Alright. Um, so after you install Python, you will need to go open a command prompt and type pip install tapo and by installer. Alright. After you did this, download, go here the code download zip and extract and go here where it says and go with the CMD in the downloaded folder and you do this py installer minus minus no console minus minus one file main.py and it will make a dist directory and you will need to copy that file, the exe file, it will be main.exe, and put it somewhere safe where you will know you will not delete it. For example, I have it here, I renamed it tapo.exe and I left it there. Okay, then you will need to open the tapo.ahk script and edit it. Here you will put the path to the executable you made earlier. In this case, I have example here, C tapo.exe. Then you will put the tapo password, the tapo email and password you used to connect from the phone. Then you will need to put here the IPs for the light bulbs. If you don't know how to set up an static IP, you can search for your internet um, internet router, but I will show you how to do for TP-Link ones. And, once say 0.1, this is for TP-Link. Then you will log in with the password and go to advanced DHCP server. And here you will see each light bulb. Here is L530. This is my model. And I put here 192.168.0.72, 192.168.0.71, and this is all the IPs. Okay. Then you will need to configure each key combination. I have set F15, I have a bigger keyboard with more F keys, and numpad 0 to turn on and off each light bulb, all light bulbs, and F15 with numpad 1 to turn on and off the light bulb number 1, and so on. I think you will understand. You don't need that much code knowledge, but it can be very useful in this case. I will leave you a link on examples and how you can modify it. Then you will need to use a auto hotkey and compile it. You go here to compile. Put here the script file, the tapo ahk, and the destination file. Then it will make an executable, an exe file, and then open run like this and type shell double column startup. And please copy the executable here. Keybinds.exe is how I named it. And it shows, and this will make it to turn on in startup, which is very useful. All right. After you've done this, you can restart your computer, and then you will see in the tray here an icon keybinds.exe. This means it's working, and then you can test it out. All right, this was it. I hope you understand, and sorry for my very bad English. Um, yeah, this is all. If you have any suggestions, please open an issue in the pull request, or you can type a comment. Thank you.